I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the can and a stainless steel opener. Grip the handle and position the cutting wheel on the lid edge. Turn the knob slowly one full rotation to bite the metal. This sets a clean starting point. Once the teeth are engaged, maintain steady pressure while rotating. Don't rush. Make sure the opener stays level so the wheel tracks evenly. If you feel resistance, pause, wipe the rim, and resume. This prevents jagged cuts and keeps the lid from twisting. Continue rotating the knob with a smooth wrist motion so the cutting wheel follows the lid all around. You should hear a steady rasp. That sound means the blade is slicing consistently. Keep gentle, constant pressure. Too light and the cut will skip. Too hard and the opener can bend the rim. If the opener hesitates, reverse a quarter turn, then go forward again to reseat the wheel. This corrects misalignment without mangling the lid. Once you're near the end, slow your motion to finish cleanly. When the wheel reaches the starting point, stop and gently release the clamp. Lift the opener straight up to avoid scraping your hand. You can use a spoon or tongs to lift the cut lid away. This keeps your fingers safe from the sharp edge. If the lid sticks, press it inward slightly to detach the rim before removing. Troubleshoot. If the blade slips or makes ragged cuts, clean any debris and test again. Persistent slipping or rust means replace or sharpen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.